Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use oregano oil for sinus infection, only way. Start by consulting your healthcare provider before trying oregano oil and stop use for any severe reaction. I will explain dilution ratios, safe application methods, and how to monitor improvement. Expect practical steps you can try at home, plus signs that mean you should seek medical care, all in a calm, user-friendly pace. Learn dilution and dosage so you use oregano oil safely and effectively for sinus issues. I describe a simple 1:10 dilution for skin and show how 1 to 2 drops in steam inhalation can ease congestion. We cover timing, patch testing for allergic reactions, and how long to try the remedy before seeking other care. This friendly guide focuses on safety, quick tips, and realistic expectations in plain language. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and hit like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during sinus recovery, fits in cup holders, and keeps drinks cold for hours. I use it between steam sessions and doses to stay comfortable. Check the description for the link and more deals, and if that sounds good, grab one now. Now let's get back to the video. I walk you through 3 gentle application methods for sinus relief using diluted oregano oil. You will learn how to apply diluted oil to the outer nose and cheeks safely, use steam inhalation or a diffuser for airway exposure, and perform a quick skin patch test. I also explain what reactions to watch for, when to stop, and when to contact a healthcare professional for persistent or worsening symptoms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.